Perfect. Save this. Boom. And that. And that. And that. And that. Boom. Perfect. We live. It's been a long time. Let me charge my MacBook. Just gonna die. Alright, cool. Everything's set up. Everything's perfectly fine. Oh shit, we got people. Damn, everyone's like in the it's like I just when I started the stream, it's like I just opened up like the door, you know, and everyone's just coming in. Cause you guys been on hold since like Friday, since Thursday actually. We didn't stream Friday, so it's been a little long break for you guys.
Hey, bro,
Yo.
Yo.
Bro, I missed my entry. Yo, man.
What do you mean? Nothing moved.
DJ. Hell yeah.
Buy stuff.
No, it's just a little choppy for me, and I'm going get.
Might as well wait till 7, bro.
What up, guys? What up, people? What up, streamers? You sound talk?
Yo.
Hold on. Talk now.
What's good?
Man, you have an echo no matter what I do. Okay, talk. Try now.
What's good?
Oh hell nah. Alright, I'm good. Let me just put it back to this. There you go. That's weird. I don't know why it's like that. Hold on. Aux to. Oh, player time split. Alright, how about. Yo, Sam, talk now?
Yo.
Oh, there's one more echo. Yo,
Oh,
yo, YouTube. Do you guys hear Sam?
How did you do it?
Hold on. I think I fixed it. Hold on. I don't know though. I gotta see. Let me go on my own stream. What?
Alright.
Yo, I fixed it. I'm a legend. I'm a goat. I'm a goat. I don't care. I'm a goat. I fixed it. No more echo. For past 3 months, we've been having an echo. It's gone now, guys. It's gone.
How'd you do it?
Bro, I'm a goat. I don't care. I don't know, bro. I don't know how I did that, but I felt. Woo. Who's that? Let's go. That's actually crazy.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a picture of these settings because I'm not trying to lose this. Alright, how about let's test it again. Okay, try talking now.
Oh, it's good with y'all.
Oh yeah, I fixed it. I fixed that.
Hey, bro, you still haven't fixed this stuff.
My stuff? My stuff's never like my echoey. My stuff is good, bruh. I swear my stuff's good.
Bro, what's that sound, bro?
That's not me.
Bruh.
It might be Sam. That's Sam.
I don't know.
I don't know. That's not me. Finally, yes. No echo. Finally.
No.
Someone requested it over the weekend. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna look into it. I looked into it for 5 minutes. Boom, I fixed it.
So it was just your fault the whole time then?
No, it's not my fault. It's okay. Your old mic was just straight up messed up. So that's not me. But this mic,
Yeah.
I think it's cause the OBS side of it, like the stream side, OBS thing. I used the application. It had some output thing, and I fixed it. It'll be good now. What up, Jay? What up, brother? What up, Andrew? Alright, cool. Yeah, I think GJ has a higher chance of coming down because it did close bearish, but closed like a doji. So I'm probably gonna wait for a 715 candle to look for a potential move on GJ here. Actually, no, we're breaking the lows here. Yeah, we're going down.
What's up, YouTube?
I think we're gonna go down from here. Yeah, GJ should be able to push down to this level down here.
What's up, X Tetris? What's up, Jared? What's up?
Alright, fine. You gotta call all of them, bro. Like, there's like 2 minutes. Just like, bro, chill.
I'm going down the line. Like,
Yeah, I think GG guys. Just looking
Oh
at
yeah, look at
GG.
50-minute.
The 4 hour has a high chance of this is like the day target probably for like with the New York target. For GJ. I'm not sure how London would look like it was good though. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, London look pretty good. Yeah, we should come down here. The 15-minute broke the lows. Ooh, it's like a nice 30 pip move or something. Have a 12 pip stop for a 15 pip TP. I'm down. Are you down? 1 hour broke the okay, cool.
131.815.
15 broke the lows. 15 broke the lows. I'm gonna attempt an entry here on GJ. I'm going short here on GJ. Stop loss right there above the current candle, and boom, I'm in. Yeah, I seen the new MT5 update.
Yeah,
It's pretty got used to it kind of.
I like it.
This is the first time I'm using it. 132, 181, profit 131, and wait. Last week of June, last couple days of June. Let's see what happens.
That's Marshall last day.
Ooh, it's a little confusing at first, but I'm gonna fix it. I'm good. Yeah, guys. Enter the sell based on the fact that the 15-minute of well, I was gonna wait for the 15-minute at first for GJ to enter a sell, but if we're already breaking the previous lows of the first 15-minute low, we can anticipate that this is the 1 hour high to come down. So like, you might as well enter now than wait for the 15 because this is the high away. Even if you do wait for a 15, this will still be the high anyways, right? So yeah, this is a move that I probably entered before on the stream. So what happens here? Yo, good week ahead. Yo, last week was a range week. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it was a hard, difficult week, but we were still able to make something out of it. I think we caught like 150 or 100, I think 160 pips or something last week. We had 2 losses last week, 3 losses for the month of June so far. To see how this week goes. Yeah, so last week we gained 189 pips. We lost 32 pips. So overall, it's 157 pips. On GJ. But you know, I just realized I had nothing on my chart right now. That's crazy. On my chart. Hey bro, how can I pay for you? Yeah guys, so this is my daily target down here. Let me mark that up. Well, not my daily target, it's like my New York session target for today's opening. We made a support here, but like we're breaking the lows here, so I'm anticipating that we're gonna continue down further. What else is there? Fix this up. Damn, I can't miss you guys, not gonna lie. It's been a long weekend, man. When I say long, it's been long. Like, I don't know why it felt so long, but it felt like it was like a whole year ago, like a whole week.
No cap, bro.
Like I feel like it was a whole week, man. Like
It's one of those weekends where like you self-reflect, bro.
yeah,
Chill,
it's,
but-
I was playing Warzone all week. I'm not gonna go.
bro, I was out this week, but
Yeah, I was
I don't wanna
working
go.
all week.
I don't even want to go out anymore, bro. I had enough. I'm an old man, bro. Tuesdays, no more.
Ooh, GG and profit.
Wait, whose mic is that? He did that like hissing sound.
That's where it's from the background.
Oh shit, I better turn my keys. Dang.
Well, GG and profit here, guys. Spreads are for me are 1 pip, 1.1 pip, which is 10 points. Ooh, and profit pushing down here. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Matthew. What up?
What up?
Yo, guys. So probably wouldn't get. Oh shit, bro. I'm putting stops to entry right now, guys. on GJ, letting run risk free.
It's gonna be a short week.
Alright.
Whoa, why did my account get?
So GJ, like we're currently coming down. We broke these support levels down here. So right now, if you look at GJ, there should be a clean move looking left here. If you look left on GJ, you have this. That's below. So below these wicks right here, it's pretty clean. If you look left, let me just make draws across. Below there is pretty clean. If you look left, this kind of right here is a mirror. The candle you want it to mirror, because this kind of is a one huge candle, and there's no traffic in between that candle, right? So you will obviously want expecting a mirror on GJ on this side as well. So see what happens here. What's TP again? How many pips is this? This is I didn't even calculate this. This is 16, 17 pips. Yo, whose mic is that? Oh, Sheriff, bro. You got your mic's a little loud. I gotta mute you. I'll mute your mic when you're ready. Alright, guys. Currently in the trade here, up 5 pips right now. Stops at entry. Haven't closed any partials yet. Alright, so but it's a risk-free trade right now, so you shouldn't be tripping. Yeah, but anyways, that last entry in the Asian session, I only caught like a nice I caught like three or 2 pips last night during Asian. I took one trade, attempted it during the Asian opening on a Sunday. It was in profit, move stops to entry, move stops to in profit, and then it got stopped at entry. Well, in profit, so.
Oh, I caught another trade later on that night, man.
Yeah, I haven't checked the chart since.
Yeah, I wasn't checking the charts last night.
Like I'm telling you guys, like once you guys stop looking at you know like once you guys stop trying to catch every single move in the market, you're gonna feel super relaxed. Like even if you take one trade per day and it's a loss, you're still gonna feel relaxed because you're not overtrading, right? So when you don't overtrade, like you don't have that. Pretty much when you don't overtrade, it just means that you're now not focused on the money and you just focus on the trades and your discipline. That's a good sign. Hold on, wait, y'all gonna attempt trading NP? Probably, yeah, of course. I thought it was next Friday because I thought it was the first new weekly of the month. So that was how it was last month, and the month, like the months before, that's how it usually was. But yeah, I gotta stop the entry here for GJ. But like this month's weird. I don't know why it's like this Friday. It should be next Friday, but it's what it is. What it is. Trade 1. Why? The thing about those trades is like you still have this 15-minute candle that's gonna close, so we can still enter a second entry if there's an opportunity for us, right? So let's see what happens here. So first trade was break even for buys. I mean for sells. I'm tripping. And there. See what happens for the rest of the day here. Oh no, I don't want red. What color should I do? What color should I do here, guys?
We scared no NFC, boy.
Cool. Alright, so first trade of the day, break even. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle close to see what's popping here for GJ. But yeah, if you guys looking for re-entries right now, it might be a little risky. Won't be a same trade. That's what I'm trying to say. Cool. I'll update my weekly pip chart. So new week. What day was it? Sunday again? Sunday was the 28th until July 4th. Okay. July. What do I do?
You mean July 3rd?
Not July 4th. I do the whole week.
Oh.
Okay. June 28th, July 4th. Cool. So GJ sells, break even. Alright, cool. Perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed that video over the weekend. That little the candle video is pretty quick video I made. Hope you guys took notes on that. A lot of gems within 10 minutes. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, please check it out after the stream. Give it a like, share it. Alright, cool. Alright, what's your story you got for us? Ooh. It's gold. Gold looking little.
1800 this week? Question mark.
This.
First day using magic.
Come on, man. First season.
Wait. Don't click the wrong button.
Cool, support being made here. Left on GJ, you have a resistance on these levels right here. Support made. For resistance, yeah, gold's in this lower range right now. It's a tradable range, so it's a big range, so you can trade it. Nice, like 70 pip range. I think buys above this level right here for GJ. I think once the 15-minute close, you can. Oh wait, no, not the 15. What? The hourly is. What? Is this the candle, or is there a missing candle here? I sure there's a missing candle here. This cannot be the candle.
That's a candle, bro.
How is it bullish? Oh, the 6. It's bruh. I thought it was 7:15. Oh my, I'm tripping. It's 6:45. Okay, yeah, that's why it makes sense now.
I'm on Ferguson, bro.
Oh my god. Okay, so we still have. Okay, cool. So we still have 15 minutes in this 1 hour candle. Okay, cool. I'm getting an entry here. I'm tripping. I thought it was like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock when I started. And it's gonna be 7:15 candle. Okay, cool. Whatever. Oh shit, we can wait for his hourly candle then for GJ to come down. Bearish. Nice wick to fill too. Cool, clean. And the 20 pip move, 20 pip TP for like a 10 pip stops. If it closes where it is, cool, perfect. Yeah.
As long as it respects that previous candle.
Oh, I'm gonna wait for guys. If you guys wondering what I'm doing, I'm waiting for GJ to close bearish, perhaps something like this, or something like this, and then once it closes, I'm gonna enter a sell. Anticipating we're gonna fill that wick, and stop's gonna be above the current candle high. I mean previous candle high. Because that's the previous candle high, and if it respects that high, it's gonna continue back up in the range, right? So I'm gonna wait for. But yeah, we have a lot of opportunities today, I think. Gold with the buys as well once it closes in 15. This candle I'm not gonna enter off of on GG just yet, because this is a 6:45 candle. It's a 45-minute candle, so in a minute, see what happens. Wait for the hourly to close. Daily target for GJ is probably gonna be, yeah, that level right there. That's a short TP, I guess target, but it's a very logical target. So, gotta wait for that. Cause we're still bearish on GJ. So bearish. Viewers, what up, streams?
How many people will call me at 3 o'clock in the morning? I'm trying to sleep, man. Please.
You don't like the 4-5-minute candle? No, it just depends on the scenario. This scenario, I can't use it. Because I'm waiting for the hourly candle to close. This doesn't make sense. You know, you're taking a risk of it breaking the hourly high. You know what I mean? Like, cause like it can easily break the previous 15-minute high, but it will still respect the 1 hour high, which is somewhere up here, I think. So it just depends on the scenario. Like I'll enter off of it sometimes, but it depends. Like it really depends. Every scenario is different, right? Just Doesn't make sense for me to enter off of it right now in this situation. When I can wait for the 1 hour. Yeah, we entered off a 30-minute candle. Yeah, first. Oh. And broke the lows. Well, 10 minutes left in this candle. See what happens here. Close. See how this hourly candle closes. If it closes a week like this, I'm the sells are probably not gonna enter it. If it closes a week bearish like this, I'm probably gonna buy above these levels right here to go up to come up to this target right here. Nice like 4-pip move, I think. Yeah, 30-pip move. So let's see what happens here. Gotta wait for it to close though. GPUD, send me a chart. I'll look at it. Charts are free to send, guys, but send me a chart that's broken down. No, don't just send me a chart with just a chart on it, because I can just see that on my screen, but I want you guys to start analyzing your charts and just start sending them here. So you can look them over, get some feedback, whatever you want. Know what I'm saying, chat? Don't get me wrong. I can look at pairs all day I want. Right? I can look at all the pairs all I want. It's just that my focus is on GJ right now, and that's my only focus right now, which is GJ. And I want to look at other pairs or like analyze them, right? So that's why I asked you guys to break down your charts, send a label analysis, and yeah, send them over. I'll look at it. I'll let you know if I'll enter or not, or if it makes sense to me, you know. Cool. 8 minutes left. Just gotta survive these 8 minutes here. See what happens. 1 hour for gold is breaking the highs though. Should be good to go up to this target. 1774. Should be good. Yeah, just should be heading down today. Let's see how this count. Let's see how the next hourly closes though. This hourly is very crucial. Yeah, so US 30, I was saying. So just made. Yeah, user is so clean. He wants to break up here. If he breaks up, it's gonna come up to there. It's one clear candle. This is a candle I love to have on GG right now. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, we should be able to tap for gold 1774. Should be easily tapped. US 30. Let's see what happens. See how this candle closes there. Okay, cool. Any news today? None. No news. Damn. Boring day. Good day though. It's gonna be a good day. Yeah. Looks good. 15 then close. 4 minutes. You just gone to the moon. Has it really? I haven't checked DJ.
What went to the moon? DJ?
Yeah. Okay, 4 minutes left. Cool, cool, cool. How the close there? Cool. Okay, I just hope like GG doesn't come down too much on this candle. I want a bigger range to come down, you know what I mean? Like right now we have this advantage here on GG. We have this advantage from here to here because we can easily put our stops to entry once we reach that support down there on this candle and let the trader run risk free from there. But the more it comes down, the less range we have, the less pips we can catch. Closes here, it should be fine, but if it comes down a little more, if it closes like this, I'm probably not gonna enter. If it closes like something like this, then the range will be too small, you know, only like for like 3 pips here, and then you gotta like, you know, you gotta have this come down later, but like it's still not worth the range. So see how it closes there. We have like 2 minutes left. Worst case scenario, we missed the move. I mean, we missed this candle right here, but it's whatever. Oh, I'm not recording a Zoom call. There we go. Oh, so let me set potential buys on GJ. Buys would probably be above these levels right here. If 1 hour breaks the high here, that's where buys would be probably valid in here and come up to like up here probably. But right now, no. It's probably a bearish market right here on GJ. Come down to the support here. 131, 905 probably. I want to take the risk, right?
Yeah, I don't know. GG's not even really a 1-to-1 if it closes here.
I'm not gonna enter if it closes like this. too big of a range. And also another thing, guys, the bigger like the further it comes down, the smaller the range. Plus, you don't have that advantage anymore. Move stops entry, because that's like what, 2 pips. And also another thing is that your stops for the sell will be bigger the more it comes down, because your range is smaller and the stops are bigger. So it's like you probably prefer to kind of close like up here or something like that. Because now if you enter now on this candle, your stops are probably gonna be like 17 pips. You know, it's not even a 1-on-1 like Sam said. So there's no trade for me. Let's see. Look, we have like 30 seconds left, right? But it's probably gonna close like low. And also, guys, gold shooting up from when we mentioned it. Target for that would probably be 1774 here for gold. Easy target, like I said earlier. Yeah. Now here's not bad. The way it closed from here. Yeah, here's not bad. I might attempt to sell here. On right there. Cause it did close the low little further up. When it came up a little bit, that's when I got in. So yeah, they came up a little bit further up before the candle closed. So 16 pip TP actually, yeah, 17 pip TP for a 14 pip stop. Not bad. This is the second attempt at the sell. It's come down to that support today. So see what happens here. Oh shit. I can't even send a signal out. Man, that's tough. I was gonna send one out. Oh, I just dipped. Whatever. Whatever. Ooh, and profit here for GJ. Perfect. 4 pips in profit. 5 pips. Is 131. 1.9. Yeah, so we're in cells here. I explained it already, so not gonna explain it again, but should be good to come down here. Probably when price gets down to this level, this support here at 131.996, I'm probably gonna move stops to entry and let it run risk free, coming down to the next support down. Because if you look left on GG, there's no traffic from below areas down here to the left. Okay, I go back to there a little bit. Below, like right here, I mentioned earlier, the clear traffic candle. Below these wicks right here. So it should be clean. If you block it out, it'll make your life much easier. Go like this, block that out. You know, come down to this support, block that out. What do you have? Boom. That clear traffic candle. So should be easy. Yeah. And also another thing, once we break this is your hourly high now. So you want to be a little more risky, you can put your stop loss above the current candle high. But I'm just gonna move this to entry once you come down to this level. Then this is a trade that we'll probably enter 1,000 times on the stream. Well, not 1,000 times on the stream. Probably like a good amount on the streams for the past couple of months. Obviously, this entry we probably entered about like more than like 30 times over the past couple months here. The same entry here. It's pretty easy entry. See how it plays out though.
Bruh. That sneeze hurt it, bro.
Hmm?
Bro, I had to mute my mic because, bro, that sneeze hurt like hell.
Who sneezed?
Me, bro.
Oh.
Like the eyeball hurt.
Oh, that's tough.
Bro. Let's have a new shit.
Oh shit, moving stop loss to entry here from GJ. Perfect. Perfect. Stop loss to entry for GJ, and then the rest run risk free. Like I said, you have this advantage you had on GJ, right? This wick from the body to the wick was your advantage for GJ. So that's you should use your things to your advantage. It's like anything else, you know. You see this advantage, just use it. Take it, cause like this is a range from this wick. If you guys don't know what wicks are just a range. Because on a smaller time frame, it's a range, right? So on a bigger time frame, it's a wick, but on a small time frame, it's a range. So when price comes down to fill that wick, it's just basically filling a range. And when it's filling a range, it's technically at a minor support. But since it's a wick on a higher time frame, it has a higher chance of breaking it than rejecting off of it. So that's why I moved my stops entry on GJ right there. Right? Because it technically tapped a minor support here on a smaller time frame. So now you gotta let it run. Let your runner go all the way down to this support here. Magic is screwing for this trade. Yeah, I don't really use it for that. I use it just to close my shit. So sometimes I don't even use it, but pretty handy sometimes. Reds are 1 pip, not bad. Also, if you guys got on gold earlier, like I mentioned on gold, move your stops to entry because this is a gulag move. I can't pull a picture up of a gulag move, but I probably explain on other streams. This is exactly what a gulag move is. See how there's none of support to the right side here on gold? This kind of has a high chance of pushing back down to these supports down here. So if you're in gold, if you got in where I got in, just move your stops to entry. Well, if you got in where I mentioned, I didn't actually get in, but move your stops to entry and just let it run risk free. Alright. Because this candle's probably going to drive down here. And also another thing about this trade is that you see how like when it kind of opened up, it just came up bullish right away, meaning that was just a pullback for the candle to come back down. Because when it kind of opened up, the first thing it does is come up. Obviously that's just a pullback, right? Because it has no bond wick. So when it comes back down, that would be the high of your hourly candle for it to push down. So that's why stops are at entry right now. Because the price comes back bullish here, it's probably gonna push up further up. So you wouldn't want to be in that trade after. I'm still alive here. Still alive. Oh. I'm pretty happy I fixed the echo. That's pretty crazy. It's been like how months now? How many months?
Yeah, it's like
You survive the pullback. I think once the 15 closes as well, you can pop another entry. But like since I have this one entry here, I'm not gonna pop another entry at all.
yeah, I'm waiting for the 15.
If you do wait for 15, your stop's gonna be actually yeah, it's gonna be quite smaller than our stop loss, but it's risk free right now anyways, right? Yeah, if it closes like if 15 closes like this, you have a nice sell coming. have a nice wick fill and eventually come down next support here. Let's see. Kind of hasn't flipped yet. First trade of the week, it break even. Let's see how the second trade of the week goes. Same analysis, well not same analysis, same bias for both sells and sells, so haven't switched my bias. And also guys, if you guys, man, June has been one lovely month. The entire June has been crazy. Like it's probably the second best month so far, right? Of the year. The first best month was probably like May. I mean not May, March. And June is probably the second best month. But man, if you guys were able to finish last, you're golden. You know, like people had a difficult week. If you lost money last week, because last week was just, like, it wasn't bad. It was pretty normal. It was like week was pretty normal. It's just people said rangy. I guess it wasn't as volatile as the rest of June, right? But it was still a decent week. And man, if you came out profitable last week and you didn't like lose anything last week, man, you're golden, man. You're golden. Last week,
that means that you're probably yeah, like I feel like if you're gonna lose any money, like last week was the week.
yeah, about the whole June, definitely. Last week was a week you would have lost money if whole June. The month of June was so easy. Every trade was just connecting.
Before that it was pretty easy. But
Yeah, last week was a real test, you know. So if you came up profit last week, good. If you're struggling, you know, it's okay. Just gotta reevaluate your shit. If you lost your account, then you shouldn't be trading this week. You know, you should just be taking a look, step back and just reevaluating. But I think we should survive the pullback on GJ. We still gotta survive one more pullback though, which is the the next 15-minute candle pullback. If it even, I mean, unless this kind of just drives down this candle to this TP, but let's see what happens here. Currently 5% profit again. See.
wait, can you still hear my mouse?
Kinda, yeah. No, that's your mic. And anyways, like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I hear it. That's your mic. That's not the echo. The echo won't do anything for that. Whatever comes from your mic, we hear it, bro. So, is Lock here?
Okay.
I'm Locked. Oh, we're driving down. GJ here. Perfect. I think we're gonna break the lows because we're on a smaller time frame. What we just did was we pulled back and then we're retesting the lows, and which now we should just be able to push down and break the lows. Because on a smaller time frame, this is what happened. Because this one kind of like this. This is one big candle. On a smaller time frame, like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, what happened was this. This is what happened. You came down, boom, 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 and all of a sudden now you're coming back up, like coming up like this. Boom, 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 right? So then now you see how we retested the lows again. We retested the lows. Technically we were gonna break the lows. It's technically doing this. Boom, boom, boom. It's breaking this support and it's gonna come down further now on this candle on the 15. This is let's say this is the 1 minute. This is the 15 minute. look at the 15-minute, the way it moved the past 15 minutes. Yep, this wick should get filled. So the thing we gotta survive now is the pullback. I think we should be safe though, because as long as price does not hit this, we should be good, right? But what should happen on this candle is we should get a bearish candle like this, coming down to support, but we gotta survive the wick up, the top wick, right? We gotta survive that. As long as it doesn't tap our entry, we should be good. Our entry is near the highs anyways, right? So we should be good on this pullback. Let's see what happens here. Entry again. It's up to you. I don't know. I have one entry for this trade. My second trade of the week. It's a Monday. Not gonna push it too hard. Man, come on, JJ.
Hey Dom.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was waiting for this next candle to open and then push
Yeah.
back up like you said, pull
Like-
back, and
like
then
this, yeah.
that'd be my retest. Yeah, and I would be looking for an entry then. So for those who haven't entered yet, that would be possibly
Yeah.
the next ideal. Yeah.
It's just like the bearish candle. Oh, there it is, flipped. But yeah, the bearish candle it closed quite small. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if it closed a little bigger, a bigger body, a stronger bearish, I would have probably attempted an entry. Well, I would have, if it was like a different day, I would have attempted another entry. But it was a little weak bearish, so I don't know. Yeah, but you could have had an entry. I know what you mean though. Sure. Yeah, same idea as Sam. It's the first 15 of the hourly, yeah. So it's a risk-free trade now, guys. I'm just gonna let it run. But yeah, if this is the high, we shouldn't be able to come back up here. We should be good for now. Let's see. Once we break these lows, we're good to go. So let's see what happens here. That might have been your retest, Sharif, right there. Kind of missed it, I think, while you were talking to me.
Yeah, I think.
It happened way too quick. Yeah. Just went up and boom, shut down. But no, like I said, guys, see how it kind of opened up and it came out bullish? That was just a pullback for it to come back down, right? That wick, because it made a bond wick when it opened up, meaning that when it opened up, it just went straight up to make the top wick, and then when it comes back bearish, it should be easily coming down to the support here. Let's say we should be good here. Looking good. Like I said, guys, we're filling the wick now. So yeah, if you look left, once you break this wick, we should have a clear traffic count down to the TP level. I haven't secured any profits yet. I'm probably gonna wait for 10 pips to secure some profits here on GJ. We're like about 5% profit, so probably when it comes down to this level right here, I can close half and let the runner go. And boom. You know, sometimes you don't have to have a runner. You can just close at 10 pips if you want. Like, sometimes I do that, you know. I just close at 10 pips, so that's like my goal anyways, right? For every trade. Runners, it just depends on the scenario. If you know, if I see like a lot of momentum, a lot of like the range, like a lot of like, not range, but a lot of like, a bigger range to fill, a bigger target, then I'll leave a runner, right? But this is only like 16 pips, right? So I might as well just close at 10 pips. Let's see what happens. Because runners only work for like when you have a huge target, right? Because if you're just closing half at 10 pips and then the runner go for like another 5 pips, it's not even worth it. Let the whole position go. Like just close the whole position at 10 pips, because like it might just hit your stop at entry, you know. But like the runner depends on the like, situation. But stops should be at entry though. That's something you should do though. Stop loss is at entry. No reason for it not to be. Good morning, peeps. If you guys enjoying the stream, leave a like. I would appreciate that like. Let's get to let's say 40 likes today. I think we can hit 40 likes to 70 viewers. It's a decent amount. Yeah, moving slow. It's moving quite slow, but I think once you break these lows right here, we should get a quick move down. The slow right here should get a, you know, like a zoom straight down to TP. It's gonna be a waterfall. First waterfall of the week. Right in front of your eyes right here. Gotta break these lows. Then you're gonna come down to where it is. Here. Let's draw a guy here. Hold on. It's the long as arms, right? But it's okay. This guy is gonna hold this count down. So once, you know, I told him this is the market maker right here. I told him once we break this low to let go of his left arm. All right, so he's gonna let go of that arm real soon. Hold on, how did I do this? There we go. He let go of the arm, and now he's gone. Oh, it should be a waterfall coming down here. 132 just strong support. Yeah, it is a strong support, but stops are entry, right? It's a risk-free trade. Off 12 shift into your stream. That's dedication right there, bruh. That is dedication, man. Have you blown accounts? Of course I've blown accounts, man. When have I not? You know, I've blown accounts like when I started off, like 20 accounts probably. Plus 20 accounts. I'll say more than 20 actually, but yeah, like I've blown accounts before I became profitable. It happens. It's something that guaranteed happens to everyone. Guaranteed. If they don't blow an account, they probably lost some money in that account, right? But they probably lost some shit before they became profitable. All the top traders, the 5% that made it, probably blew accounts before they made it. How much have you lost in my accounts? I lost like probably over 20,000 or some shit. 15. 15, 20. Off a couple months. They're all like, it's not like I put like, you know, a good 5,000 here. It was like it was more like $5 accounts here, $1,000 account there. And it's those small accounts and it adds up. But you know, we here now. Those are rookie numbers, man. Right? Yeah, I don't know. 20,000 was a lot to me. I'm not gonna lie. I was only working like part time, man. I was in school still. 20,000 when you're in school, man. Oh, securing half here. Talking about profits. Closing 50% of my profits here on GG. Letting a runner go, risk free. I closed 4. I went out of 8.0 lot. Closed it right here at 10 pips. We closed that quite perfectly, not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie, we closed that low perfect there. But there was that waterfall, the mini waterfall there in GG. Let's see. The 30 minutes and close in 5 minutes here, and we should get a wick fill here as well. So let's see what happens here. The runner is still going risk free. But yeah, secured 10 pips there on the second trade of the day. If you guys didn't, you guys probably regret it right now. 32, GPY. Stalls plus 10 pips. Just now, did you get in? Alright.
No, I didn't get it.
You did?
I didn't.
Oh,
It looked good though.
I made one off the
I
first.
just missed that first entry on the hourly.
Oh, yeah, my entry an hourly, I think. Or no, I don't think I had an hourly entry. What I have? I did have an hourly entry. Yeah, I had an hourly entry. I made. It's a training live for the first time. I got cocky to last size. Yeah, I got cocky too, man. For my first day trading, man, I traded NFP. That's how cocky I was. My first day was NFP day. I didn't even know. I have a question now. Just out of curiosity, how much have the days? How do you have days range on the right side of your chart? What days range on the right side of my chart? This? I don't know what this is. I never used this in my life. This is just naturally there. I have no idea. I don't use this. I don't know what this is. You can just, you know, just waste of space. I think if you go on details or something on the charts down here, you should have it up. Right click this and then have this. Maybe it might be for premium, I think only. I'm not sure. But I don't know. I don't use this, so it's kind of useless to me. You can have it if you want to. I'll give it to you. I'll send it over. But yeah, I don't use that. I never looked at this in my life actually. Let me look at it. It's actually pretty interesting. Days range, weekly range as well. Let it go analysis sells. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna look at this. It's pretty useless to me. So first trade of the day, 10 pips. I mean second trade of the day, 10 pips. Not bad. If you guys made 10 pips off that trade, leave a like on the stream. We have a runner right now going till TP, but other than that, there you go. Yeah, if it's, I don't know, you can have it up. You just go in details or something here. I'm not sure. It says details, so you'll probably find it. We should close bearish here, and then the next candle should fill up wick. The next 30-minute candle should come down like this. And boom. You know the difference between pro and premium? Google it. I'm not sure. Here, train view. I think it has more charts or something. I don't know. Like honestly, I think let's say add more indicators or something. I don't know. Pricing. think yeah, so Pro has I have Pro, I think. Pro has this ad free. I honestly got this for ad free. That's all I got it for. I don't use in the replay mode sometimes. Like I barely even use it, but yeah, that's it. And I guess custom time materials. But other than that, like I don't know if you need this, man. Like 8 charts on one layout, man. What are you trying to look at? You know. What else is there? Yes, silers. I don't know, man. Alerts that don't expire. Like, do you need that stuff? Like that's a shit ton of money just for that, you know. Invite only indicators. Like, come on, bro. Do you need that? I don't think it's worth it. I think Pro should be fine if you don't want ads. Like basic, you're fine with basic. I'll be fine with basic. It's just that the ads are so annoying, man. The ads are super annoying. Okay, cool. Can open up with no bound wick. Came up bullish, so there should be a pullback up to go down here. So then once you flip bearish, which we just did, we should be good to go here. Something happened to my stream? I think I disconnected or something. Just pausing there. People are just leaving. Yeah, something happened to my streams. What's up with the stream? Yeah, disconnected. I know I disconnected. That's weird. I disconnecting. It's weird. It happens to some members. That's weird, man. I don't know. Yeah, if you refresh, you're all good. That's weird. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I'm not sure what that is. It might be me. Well, it should be me if it's happening to everyone, right? It should be me. Yeah, it's probably me. I don't know. It's weird. What up, Taj?
What's going on, y'all? Alright, bet. What y'all got going on? 10 pips already? Bad.
Yeah, currently, yeah, 10 pips right now. Yeah, streams are fine. I think we're fine.
I'm going crazy on this challenge, bro. I'm already up 6,000. Trade today. Well, not right now.
You're up 6,000 on FTMO?
Yes. You want me to send it to you?
No. Well, how much do you wait? Do you need well, you only need to do like 10% or some shit. No?
I don't know, but
Guys, if you guys got on gold earlier, man, you probably know that we are currently, you know, pushing up. If you guys got on where I told you guys to get in, we never came back to that entry. Should be pushing up here now to that target for gold here, 1774. That's like a nice 30 pips on gold. Not bad. 10 pips on GJ. 30 pips on gold called. Let's see what happens here. We're still in GJ right now though. Slow, moving a little slow here.
Where everybody?
Robin?
Damn, where everybody at? Hold on.
It was at 70. It dropped because the stream disconnected.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, we're at 70. Come on, man. Oh, my different found this cheat. Man. I think we're good. Like, I don't know. People are still connected. Like, hold on. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Let me see what's up.
Oh, shit. Oh, fucked it up. Let's see. That's a big good. Okay.
Alright. Still not fixed. Come on. Oh, it should be fixed. Alright, cool. Entry for GG has been hit. The runner has been hit entry, so we're out of the trade right now, but we're able to manage to secure 10 pips on the trade. If you guys look at GG now, the 15-minute of GG actually is actually breaking the highs of this 15-minute candle. So meaning that if this is a fake out, we have a high chance of continuing up here. So this is your support and this is your resistance. If we're now breaking back into the range, we have a high chance of breaking up to this target up here. And then eventually, if this is a fake out, we have a high chance of breaking this resistance to come up to this. As I said, on every other stream, 85% chance of filling it and a 75% chance of breaking the resistance to go up. So, yeah.
Hey, it got crazy at like 12, bro. Bro, it shot up. How many pips it shot up?
Oh,
It went up 127 pips. That's how I got that 6,000, bro. I was like, fuck yeah.
you might as well just chill for the next 5 days. No point.
For real?
Yeah, why would you want to still trade? If you're
Oh,
shit.
so I just need that 2,500 and that's it?
I don't know. I don't have the FTMO, but I think so. I don't know. I think so. Like, it says 5 days minimum trading days. It's just chill for the rest. Why would you want to trade?
Okay.
Or enter like super small lots every day, like 0.0, like super small, that doesn't do anything. Just enter just to be safe, you know. But like, I'm pretty sure you're good.
Bet. Yeah, cause
I don't know.
let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it. I'll just do what you just said. I'll just go back to my regular account. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Fuck it.
Yeah, it should be good.
Yeah. I'll just pick. Well, after I pass it, then what? That is send me like.
I got no clue, bruh. I'm not sure. I don't have the account.
I'm gonna go back to my regular account.
You know what might be, guys? Because I'm running a MacBook, right? And it's probably taking up. Oh, how old are you,
Bro.
Don? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Been trading for a year and a half. You know what's crazy?
When I first met Don, I thought he was black.
I remember that.
Yo, that shit was funny. I was like, what? He's not black? Who's this then? Bro,
What, have you heard his voice?
No, because I had Ian Connor as my thing.
This guy does not sound black, bro.
No, I had Ian Connor as my display picture on Telegram. I had Ian
that
Connor.
shit was
Thought he was Ian
crazy.
Connor.
Yeah, I had Ian Connor up. And
Yeah,
people
no,
like,
bro.
people were like, yo, who's you black? I'm like, no, I'm Asian, bro. They thought this was me. I had where's the picture I had? I had like a, it was on IG. I forgot. He had like bands, but I had some picture. I Ian Connor up. And like, yo, who's this?
Yeah, you had the one with the money.
Yeah.
So everything I thought Don was black, bro. That shit was funny. I was like, bro, this guy got bread. Shit. What? When did I figure it out? Like the whole 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later after I joined. That shit was funny.
Like, what? I ain't you, bro. Like, come on, cuz. This guy was disappointed.
Nah,
Something
it
I've
was-
been seeing is like when it breaks the 15-minute high.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fill the Ranger. So I'm seeing as well. Probably gonna come up to this 132, 186 here.
Smoked the 30-minute high too.
Did you enter? This is a good
No.
trade.
I know. I didn't enter. I didn't really plan it out well enough.
Yeah. I don't know. I didn't want to enter because I entered 2 trades already and they're both sells. So I didn't want to reach
But
switching
I'm
bias.
gonna enter on the 15 if it closes bullish like this.
Yeah, that'd be a valid entry as well.
So,
You have to minor support here.
but it needs to close in the range.
So if you're 20, what do you think you would? We're in a total of 1M, man. I don't know when I'll end the total of 1M, man. I don't plan that stuff out. It happens, it happens.
You get there, you get there. You be
Yeah.
consistent. You gotta be hella consistent and get up there. Shit.
Come out there with time. Like the way I'm consistent right now, it's just at this point, it's gonna be time. That's all that matters. It's just time. Like when, well, not when it'll be like, it'll come, but it'll take time. You know, like if I just do the same thing I do every day, I'll eventually get there. But with trading alone, you know. Get my PC next week though, so should be a lot better.
Wait for that thing. It's gonna be a whole lot faster. I know that.
My Mac's pretty fast. You had an older Mac, right?
I had a 12, but still, I had all that crap on there.
I had a 29. I have a 20.
I had downloaded all in. Shit, I can't even think, bro. I'm tired as fuck.
But these are my
All that
specs right
stuff
here.
for it, I done all that shit for all those indicators and templates and
Nah, it
parallels,
doesn't take up much space. Well, parallel takes up bare, probably.
yeah, the parallel. After I downloaded that, the raps.
Yeah.
Shit was slow. I'm about to delete that shit.
Yo, Lock, what up, bruh? What time is it?
The
Oh,
stream.
what happened?
I just got in this.
Yo, can one of you guys do me a favor? Just play the YouTube on your side or something, and let me know if it lags out or something.
Bro, that shit was loud yesterday.
What?
That fucking sound you made yesterday. I don't know how the hell you did that shit.
On
That
what?
shit was on Zoom yesterday, bro.
Oh, that no. Oh yeah, that no, yeah. The sound thing. It was like it was like shared computer sound. It's weird. It, pretty loud. I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit, 30-minute closed. Oh, 15. We're on a 45-minute count here. Yeah, so 15 closed. Bullish, 9 in the range though. Sam, your answer?
No.
I think stops below here will be good. Stops will be good, but it's a 45-minute counter, right? So we're gonna wait for the 1 hour. See what happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour. Close this with a nice wick manager.
Yep. So I still been open. Yeah, I still open the normal lot says on Monday. I opened my regular 8.0 here on a Monday. On this trade. Alright. On both trades actually. First trade is break even, second trade is 10 pips. This has been your best strategy, to be honest. I've seen you do besides your yeah. But I mean, it's all done on live stream now, you know, nothing to hide. All breakdowns. Everything clean. US 30 near go open clean traffic. Yeah. I think once it breaks this high, it should be good to go. Or when the 1 hour closes here, you have a good buy up to this target. Clean.
All buy stuff.
I mean, if you enter now, your stop loss is gonna be the same as if you enter later, anyways, right? So, your stop's gonna have to be like 500 points. So that's like 59 pips, 50 pips.
Yeah, because it broke below the daily, then retest it, then it's staying up right now. It's kind of late.
Yep. You guys got on gold stops. You shouldn't be in anymore. Look at that. Yo, Sam, look at this gulag move. You see it?
Hold on.
It's right here. I lied. No, it's this.
What?
This. People would have got buys right here.
Oh yeah.
Come up and then
Big
put.
bootleg move.
Yeah, put a range. There's not enough support here, so now price gonna come down to make a support probably. It might look something like this for a little bit, and then you know, maybe a couple more candles, and then eventually you're gonna break up again to break the highs. But yeah, I deal with this first. There's no way around it. This is why I backtest these things, guys, to avoid them. You know. Third attempt on GG sells. Let's see if if the 1 hour closes bearish, a little stronger, I can attempt the third entry on GG sells.
Close like this, that'll be perfect.
Oh shit! Europe has a fucking bank holiday. I'm not even gonna trade. Fuck
We have a bank holiday on Wednesday, and then we have cause Canada, and then we have a bank holiday on well no we don't. NFP on Friday, and then Saturday is 4th of July.
Yeah, this shit's gonna be dead this week. I don't think I'm gonna trade, bro. I'll probably just wake up and just watch.
How was everyone's training day on Friday though? I did not
Friday?
stream, so I don't know.
Friday?
I caught 10 pips and I just went back to sleep. So I caught on Friday though. I woke I woke back up at 8 or something like that, and I just went back to sleep. Caught 10 pips on Jiu-Jitsu, I think. It was a sell, but then I went back to sleep right away. Actually, let me check. What was it sold by? I think it was a. It was 26, right? 26. Yeah, it was a 10 pip sell on GJ. That was it. That was my move. But yeah, there was no stream. If you guys haven't watched yet, make sure you check
Yeah,
the
it wasn't a stream.
make sure
actually.
you check out the YouTube video on we posted
Sticks.
on candles.
Candlestick. Beep beep. FTMO smashed. Dow's going up. Time to play some Rumble Fighter.
Yeah, so we have 9 minutes left, guys. Just be patient. Don't try forcing setups. Don't try rushing setups.
Never force.
Wait out here.
Gotta be patient as fuck. Wait
Also
the
for you,
next
it's 30 as
games.
well.
Yeah, I'm definitely not.
Also, guys, if you guys play Warzone, let me know. I need landings at a superstore with good comms, good communication. Yeah. See what happens here.
Play Siege.
Hmm?
Siege. Rainbow.
Oh, that's that's too hard. It was not too hard. I never tried it, but it looks a little too complicated, bro.
It's basically the same shit.
Bro, it looks a little choppy. I don't know. It looks a little complicated.
Nah, it's pretty. I watched my uncle play it. That shit's pretty dope. It's like some real combat shit.
Rainbow Six, right?
Yeah. Oh shit.
GJ.
Oh, I got you. 3 teams back window. 3 teams back window. I like those comms. Yeah. Back mid, back mid, back mid. One shot, one shot, one shot, one shot. That's how I sound when I play. One shot, one shot, one shot. Armor, armor, armor. No armor, armor. One shot, one shot. Nice. I need those comms, you know? GJ here. What happened here? 15 minute. 30 minutes breaking the highs. Oof. 30 minutes breaking the highs.
Oof.
There it goes. 30 minute broke the highs. Should get range fill here. Up to this target right here. 132, 178.
God damn it.
You missed another entry? Come on, bruh.
Well, I mean,
I think
was
when
gonna top this,
the 15
but-
minute closed bullish, you could have got an entry there.
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
Hey, now thanks for that video, because of it, I understood more and entered 3 shares earlier on the stream with that teaching and it paying off. Yeah, I see, you guys. One 10-minute video changed this guy's life. Well, I'm not sure about his life, but you know, it changes it taught him a lot. One 10-minute video on those candles. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and check it out. Yeah, GG looks pretty cleaner. 30 minute broke the highs. Should get a range fill here. Back in the
super
range.
clean traffic.
This is a fake out. Down, go up. So if this is a fake out, we have a high chance of breaking this resistance coming up to the next resistance, which is up here. But I don't know, there's no entry for me. If there is an entry for me, I'm probably gonna wait for the next 15-minute candle to enter a buy if there is an entry, right? Because this 1 hour stop loss is gonna be way too big. It's gonna be like a 20 pip stop, right? So I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute close and see what happens. Not this 15 minute, but the next 15 minute. You know what I mean? Man, I had an entry on that bullish 15 close and then closed it and lost on that pullback. Damn, bruh. Why'd you close, my friend? It didn't break the lows. If you got in, you might as well stay in until it breaks the lows. You know, stop loss should be down here. Don't be afraid, because even if it came close, it still didn't break the lows. Until it breaks the lows, this is technically a bullish trade to come up to this target. We broke it down earlier. Come on, man. Yeah, just don't be afraid. You know, take losses. No, like, don't get me wrong. No one to cut losses short, right? But understand how to cut them short. You know, don't just cut losses short because you're in major drawdown or because you don't like the number that you're seeing on your screen, right?
Just don't let it just keep going down. I think it's about to go back.
Yeah. If you're in a trade, lock into the trade. You know, if it's like breaking lows on a smaller time frame or breaking certain areas you don't like, or you don't you're like, you're not expecting it to break, then you can get out. But if you're getting out of the trade because you don't like the drawdown or whatever, it just means you're over leveraging, right? And you shouldn't be using that lot size probably. So, but yeah, don't be afraid to be in a trade, man. You're trading for a reason. Okay, thanks, man. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. You're welcome. Yeah, this target looks like pretty clean if you do break above this level here. So buys for me would be above this level to come up, probably. The balls across the range, right? So like what I meant by fake out is like when GJ comes back in the range like this, so 15 minute like this, mentioned earlier, if this is a fake out, we have an 85% chance of filling the range, and then we have a 75% chance of breaking it. You probably hear me say this every stream, right? But it's just facts. It's because like when we're breaking a range, we're coming back in the range, and this is a fake out. What's actually happening is we're actually breaking resistance here, because this support right here coming down is now becoming a resistance, because now we're breaking back into that range. So see how we're below, like when we're below it, it's a resistance, right? So when we're breaking that resistance, we have nowhere to go but up to the next resistance. So that's why it has a high chance of filling the range, right? And if this is a fake out down to go up, we have a high chance of breaking this resistance as well to come to the next target. So, which is probably gonna be 132.446, right? But since I missed the entry right here, I'm probably gonna wait for a candle to close bullish above this range. So maybe something like this. If it closes like this, I can enter a buy. So if it closes like this, and then next candle comes up bullish, like so, you can enter a buy coming up to this target up here, and this would be a nice buy for GJ. But right now, not yet. Gotta be patient and wait. You guys are on control of Vector until you guys would have 8. What do you think of IC markets? So IC markets, I don't know. I can't use them. I'm from Canada. It doesn't work here. It doesn't work in Canada. It works in like I think they took out Canada and US, right? So I can't use them anymore. But I don't know. They're like Vantage, I heard. So Vantage is the broker I used before I traded domain, and yeah, it was pretty. Spreads are pretty small. I think Sam uses Vantage still, so it should be like IC markets in regulations.
Yeah, use Vantage.
I mean, yo, if the broker pays you and lets you deposit, you're fine. That's all that matters. Withdrawals and deposits, that's all that matters. Unless it actually gives you like manipulation, then yeah, it's a little sus. But if other than that, you're fine. Deposits and withdrawals, you're good to go. So the way this 15-minute candle closed, I would give an entry here. But it's just that the 1 hour is about to close, right? And the 1 hour does not look as clean. The 1 hour is gonna look like this. Meanwhile, the 15-minute is like, if this is like the first 15-minute of a new hourly candle, I'll probably answer a buy here. Stops below there, anticipating we're for the range here, and then eventually break up, right? This would be a clean buy. But since like, you know, it was a 4 or 5 minute candle, like this, I don't know, the 1 hour is not as clean. We're gonna wait for the next candle to come, see what happens.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait here.
Also opened up with no bound wick, so it has a chance of coming down here. Let's take 2 trades today. First one was break even on sell. Second one was sells 10 pips. So gotta wait and see what happens here on this trade, on this candle. Should I buy or wait? Give me a chart analysis. Break me down your trade. Come on, talk to me. You know, break down that trade. Show me what you see. Show me why you're entering. Show me why it makes sense for you.
Please.
In detail.
Very detailed. Why you want to
I was
take
gonna
it?
have a buy stop once it broke the high, but I want to wait for a bottom wick.
Yeah, if you guys did enter on this candle, you can move stops to entry. Because this candle has no bottom wick, so which means that this candle has a high chance of coming back down to hit, you know, further down. But let's see. If they get in here, move stops to entry and just let it run. Let it run. That's if you got on like right here. You know, only if you got on like right here in the candle opening. Move your stop to entry. So the only thing you gotta worry about now is just that I might hit, you know, come further down, might hit entry. But other than that, if you're risk free in it, just let it run. You sir broke the highs. Should be clean to go up to this target. Should be clean. Yeah, Jimmy fall asleep or something?
Yeah, that man's out, bro. Like a light bulb.
Like a light.
Put the light on the switch. It's a light switch.
Yo, should I do a face cam for the streams soon?
You can, bro.
I just need a better camera, bro. I'm definitely using.
Just use the Mac. I was using my.
Yeah, but like.
I need to go to Fry's and go get me one.
Oh, I want an actual webcam. Probably when I get my PC, I'll get one or something. But 'cause when I get my PC, I would definitely need a Mac, a face cam. I mean, a camera. You know, there's no camera on the PC.
Yeah.
With the MacBook, yeah, I can use it, but I don't. How's the audio though? Is my audio good?
Yeah, it's pretty solid, bro.
Yeah, it's a gaming headset, so I'm expecting it to be solid.
I know. You told me about it.
Solid audio, bruh. Yeah, it's not like a microphone though, it's a headset. It has good sound though. Like, man, when I like call, I can hear footsteps. How can I talk to you? I didn't mean it literally, you know, like you meant talk to me, like send me a chart, you know, explain the trade, you know, but not like literally talk to me. I mean, you could message me on Telegram for, you know, inquiries, but like, other than that, like, you know, you're on Zoom, yeah, you're on Zoom, but like, I can't give out the Zoom link to public. It's only for people in the course or people that I've talked to before.
For a long time, for a year and some months.
Yeah. You did enter a SPY here. Stops would have been probably 15 pips. Not bad. 35 pips. Not famous, I'll show you. YBN Drippy, you're famous? Is that actually famous? My IG is ControlFX. You can message me at ControlFX.com. I mean, Control_FX. Is this YBN Corday? Yo, who's YBN Drippy? Let's search him up. Let's do a quick research.
YBN Drippy?
I never heard of YBN Drippy though.
Nah, bro.
Is that he's famous?
I wonder who that is.
YBN rapper. Oh shit. You heard YBN?
Man, GJ. GJ.
Yeah, GJ is so clean.
I know, I don't know what to do with the wick. Like, I want to enter here.
Oh, here. I'm gonna wait for the 15. You're part of YBN? Nice, bro. Nice.
YBN Drippy, bro.
Alright, bro. No free promo here, guys. Delete that. Guys.
What's up, boys?
What up, bro?
Got into a
Oh,
quick
this
buys,
is-
bruh. You know what I mean, bruh?
Young Labaz.
Yeah. Onto a nice buy, and hopefully it breaks this resistance, and we're running.
Yo, you heard that new Cardi Uzi snippet? Oh, yeah.
I think so.
Taj.
What?
This guy finished FTMO one day. What the hell?
Crazy.
Bruh. Oh, okay, so how it works is they're gonna give you another login for your verification.
Yeah.
You basically have to do the same thing again.
Say less.
Yeah, and then once you finish that, just wait 10 days and then boom. Congrats, you're funded, buddy. But like I mean you already finished it, like you might as well not touch it. Go back to your main account.
Yeah.
Good shit, bruh. A man.
Man, I would have just market access buy if it made a bottom wick on the hourly.
I entered
Just to
buy
make.
on the pullback. That candle.
How?
You mean how?
Like when you think that would be like a pullback to make a bottom wick?
Yeah. I knew what my stops was too. Stops was the low rec of that candle. Did you
Yeah, I think I'll wait for this 15 close in 5 minutes to look for buys. I missed this entry. Like
Yeah.
the 1 hour closed like Oh man, it was just the 1 hour that was stopping me from this buy. The 15 was clean. Like I said earlier,
Yeah,
if
15
if the 1 hour did not close the way it did, and the 15 looked like this, if this is how the 1 hour looked, I would have entered this buy based off these 3 candles right here. You guys look at these 3 candles right here on GJ, where it blocked us out. Off these candles right here, I can easily say that's gonna buy up, right? But it's just the 1 hour, the way it, the way it closed wasn't the way I wanted it to be closed. So now I gotta wait for this 15-minute candle to close in 5 minutes to look for buys.
Some
So
nice.
let's hope it comes back a little bit.
Don was talking about it, Sam.
What?
That 15-minute candle that you could have entered off.
No, I just wanted to make a bottom way first.
Oh, you mean the?
I was gonna
right?
yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
I was gonna get in the pullback of the hourly, or once it broke the hourly high, because that high had resistance.
It looks like it's gonna keep going.
Yankari. Yeah.
I go for a drive, bro.
You hopping off?
Gosh.
I can still be on, bro.
For what?
I don't know.
What time is it there? It's like
Bro.
5?
4:30. Bro, I wake up at 4:30 every morning for y'all, bro.
For us?
For me?
For
Wow,
us.
bro. I appreciate that, bro. It really means a lot to me, man.
You woke up at 4:30.
For me, bro?
4:30 every morning, bro. I'm basically a fucking robot.
Oh yeah, you are too then?
I'm I'm not almost done with buying car parts. Yeah, so. I get that, then I'm hot, bro.
Get yourself a 5-cylinder.
Get myself a 5-cylinder.
Yeah.
Bro, I got too much shit. I got fucking.
GJ is on Viagra.
I got 2 trucks in one car.
Yeah,
bro.
GJ is
So,
pushing.
I need to calm down.
Yo, I want a C8, bro. You know a C8?
Yo, if this GG cam closes like this, bro, I'm entering a buy. If it closes like this, look at my screen like this, boom,
Pretty surely.
Slap a 8.0.
boom.
boys.
If it does something like this, with a nice
Yeah,
wick,
easy enter.
yeah, I'm probably gonna enter a buy up. Then I'll fill that wick, anticipate, boom. Let's hope though, that might be our last entry. This next candle right here. Let's see. Continue to pull back, GG, continue to pull back. Leave a nice wick in the range. Come on.
2-minute close. 15.
Yep. If you guys, oh yeah, also, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you if you aren't in the free Telegram channel, make sure you check that out. Go in here, go on Telegram. Check this at the bottom of the website, arbitrarifx.com. You see this Telegram page right here.
Rose plus. Okay.
Used to have 4,000 members, but then I deleted the other channel, the other chat, so we don't have a channel now.
So hurt, man. I got classes later on again.
Damn.
Term 2.
I'm probably going to move to Toronto, man. Because this 4:30 should be fucking me up,
Huh?
bro.
Or at least go to like a place with Eastern time zone, bro.
Bro. Because this 4:30 is killing me, bro.
Yo, you not drink coffee or something? Like, no.
I don't drink coffee.
Why? Does it make you sick or something?
And plus, I can't stand the smell, so
Coffee is amazing.
Coffee is good, bro. What are you talking about?
no, I can't do it.
Do you take like
I like coffee.
any like stimulus pills?
So,
Like no Ritalin or something? Vyvanse, none of that stuff.
bro, like,
No, man, just
I can
pops
wake
back,
up,
you
bro.
guys, as you
Like, the
mix it
thing
up.
is, I can wake up and everything. It's just if I'm staying busy, you know.
Wait, the real
If I
question:
say-
how many hours of sleep do you get though?
Probably like 4 or 5 a day.
Bruh, this guy sleeps 4 or 5 hours a day. This guy
That's
gets.
not bad, to be honest. Like,
Yo,
I mean,
why
I used to do that.
why
too.
be getting drippy? Yo, this guy knows I'm Houdini. Say word.
I know,
Houdini?
it's-
Who knows Houdini?
From Toronto, from the 6.
Yeah. Fucking. Oh yeah, Was. Was gang. Wrestler.
You enter a buy? No, I didn't enter a buy. I'm waiting for this 15 closer.
7
Crazy,
seconds.
bro. Wasa just lives like 10 minutes down my place. Well, he used to.
Oh man, yeah, probably gonna
that's annoying.
wait for a 30-minute now. You know, there's no trade here for me. This candle didn't like so like okay. So
Yeah,
if you guys haven't know about
back
candles, if you guys haven't watched the candle video, pretty much candles is this. The bigger the wick is on the candle, the bigger the range is, right? Because the wick is the range. So if you have a wick like this, if you have no wick actually, you have this. The next candle has no range to go up. But if a candle does have a wick like this, a mini wick, like this next candle has at least has a range from here to here to come up to there, and then eventually it will have a high chance of breaking it, right? But the smaller the wick is, the smaller it has a chance of continuing to go up. So if it has a big wick like this, candle like expecting to go up like this to fill that wick, right? Because it's a bigger range. Because now you have a range from this target, or from the body to this wick, and within that body to the wick, you can easily like, you know, probably move your stops to entry when price gets up to here, or close half and price gets up to here, you know, because this is a minor resistance. This wick is now a minor resistance, but this is just a bigger range, and you know, from this to this, you know, see how smaller ranges. So this kind of has a high chance of coming back down bearish. So the good thing is, if it does come back down bearish, the 30-minute will still close bullish. So the 15 is gonna close bearish here, but the 30-minute will still close bullish. And when the 30-minute closes bullish, you could bet on this candle having that wick to go up bullish again to fill that wick. So if it closes like this, a 30-minute, boom, probably gonna look for buys. So the next candle coming up like this, bullish. So we gotta wait for a 30-minute close now. But the 15-minute, there's no trade for me at all. And since we entered 2 trades so far for the day, I'm gonna be very cautious about the next couple of trades I take. If I do take another trade, probably will, but let's see. VV diamonds shining on me.
Damn. I'll be right back, y'all.
Alright, bruh. The activist. Oh, no, the activist. Who drew my screen? Come on. I'm gonna turn it off actually. Turn it on, switch it off. There we go. Can I join a Zoom call? No, you cannot. Nobody can join a Zoom call. It's exclusive. Is this only time trade during a day? Well, I'll trade this time during New York session every day from 6:30 a.m. till 9 a.m. and then eventually, yeah, pretty much I'll trade. Sometimes I'll trade the Asian session from about, depends, like from 6 to 9, or depending on like how the markets move during those hours. Like when there's the opportunity, I'll hop on. I'll take a quick trade and I'll hop back off. Because I can tell when, like, you know, there's a sell move that's setting up or there's volume kicking in. I can tell. So I'm not gonna sit there during like the whole you know, Asian session. Like during the New York session, there's a lot more opportunities obviously. So like I have to sit here for the whole session. That's why I stream it. But during the Asian session, it like there's probably like one move out of those 3 hours every day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I've been tripping. My bad, bro. I can't have other people on a Zoom call here.
All this shit, bro.
So buy or sell, man. There's no buy or sell yet. I explained the trade. I broke it down already. I explained what I was gonna do. I explained why the candles worked, why they did. So yeah, you should know why what I'm waiting for here.
Just gotta be patient.
Yeah. Like if you break down a trade for like 20 minutes, and then from that so buy or sell, like I feel like she should have known what I'm looking for on the next move. We just like I have no clue, brother. This is with the version 15 for the buy, easy trade, lol. Yeah, it was an easy trade. We talked about it, but there was I didn't like the way the hourly kind of closed, so I didn't re-enter it buy at all. But I said that how if this 15-minute candle were to happen on an hourly candle, or like instead of a 45-minute candle, it was like what time is it? It was the 8 a.m. candle. I would have entered a buy. But since this candle right here closed at like 7:45, since it was the last candle of the hourly, I didn't want to enter. Right, just didn't make sense for me. Obviously, again because the 1 hour didn't close the way I wanted to, but this was a different time frame. I would have different time. I would have entered a buy here easily. TP would have been up here. Stop loss would have been below this candle, and yeah, we'll let it run. But there's no trade for me right here, so I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute close, see what happens here. But this is the target for the day. Also, I'm still chilling, guys. I'm not gonna push it too hard. I entered 2 trades today. 1 trade came out profitable, 10 pips, and so I'm just chilling right now. I'm not gonna force like another setup. If there's no moves today, there's no moves today. I can chill with my 10 pips. I'm not gonna take another trade. I won't rush or anything. Like here's my day, guys. Yes, I know. I'm not a burden to the charts. Like I'll catch 1 trade or 2, 3 trades during the Asian session. So I'll call it a day. Like I don't hop back on the charts until like the Asian session. Like when it's Asian, maybe like 6, 7, 8 o'clock, I'll hop back on, take a trade, and then hop back off. And that's it until New York. But I'm not on a charts for like from 8 a.m. till like 5 p.m. looking for the most trades I can get to make the most out of my account. No, that's not how trading works. Best way to trade is if you minimize your trading. Enter 1, 2 trades per day, and that's it. All that day. But don't just be like you don't want to be like on a charts all day just
beat the market. The market
trying to like flip your account from like $100 to like $1,000 within a day. Like it's not gonna work, bro. And even if it does work, you're gonna blow that the next day because you're making a bad habit for yourself, a bad routine by trading and over leveraging. Yeah, it's like saying you're going to work. Yeah, you finish work. What are you gonna do after? Stand like you clock out. What are you gonna do? You place down there? No, you're gonna go home. Like that's how trading is. Do your shit, go home. That's it. The longer you stay in, the longer you're gonna get. You have a high chance of losing money in the markets. Also, another thing is like, the more trades you take during the day, the more you're putting your account at risk. So it only makes sense to keep your trades to a minimum. 1, 2, 3 trades per day, and that's it. Get off the markets. That's it. Yeah, exactly. You're clocking out, and after you clock out, you're leaving. You're not gonna stand in front of your store, man. You're done. You're done. You're not gonna watch your work, just chill. Like, oh, it's like Adam over there is doing a good job painting the walls. Like you're gonna go home after. Yo, Sam. Yo, Sam.
Yo.
Wouldn't this be crazy? If this 30-minute comes down, makes a bottom wick and closes back up bullish, that'll be the perfect thing
That's
for
what
GJ.
I was looking for. Yeah, I was
Yeah.
hoping it just makes a little bottom wick and then turns back.
That's rare though. That's super rare.
Nah.
You see it
That's
before?
where it's like,
See it happen
yeah,
a
I've seen
lot?
it before.
I see it
I see it
rarely.
happen when it doesn't have a bottom wick. It'll come down and it'll make like a little bottom wick.
But then it will
Close
close
it.
bullish again?
Bullish.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah,
I
bro.
see.
The market's just allowing us to just.
Facts.
Just like, yo, doesn't have a bottom wick, say this.
Double fake out? I don't know yet. Gotta see how the 15-minute closes, because the 30-minute's still gonna be bullish, you know what I mean? I ran rush. Really? They did? Just now? What? When? When did it happen? I don't know. I don't see anything on the news at all. Maybe I missed it. I don't know. I don't see shit right now. Look at that gulag move. Coming back down now. See that? Yeah, I see why it's so important to look back at your trades, man. Like, I lost this trade at one time to this exact same move. I entered a buy on this candle at the top here, and I spent like that whole day looking back at this trade, seeing what I did wrong here, right? And man, I figured out why, and it's because like we didn't have enough strong support to the right side of this candle. So like ever since that day, like every time I see this move, I never enter the buy anymore. And I use it to my advantage now. I look for the sells. I look for the opposite trade now, right? And if I never backtested that one day on this one trade, I would have. This trade literally saved me a bunch of losses, man. This one trade here. But that's why it's important to re-backtest your trades. Yeah, 15's broken the lows. Yo, Sam, 15's breaking the lows, Sam.
Yeah, my mic was on mute the whole time, bro. I'm
Yeah,
like, yo,
I asked
yeah,
you if your mic was on mute like 20 minutes ago.
bro, my bad. I was like, bro, yo, is everyone ignoring me, bro? What did I do to y'all, bro?
You talk too much, bro. I'm joking.
Even they, like,
I'm like,
but
yo.
nah, someone asked, what news affects GJ and gold?
Oh, so gold is the dollar,
Oh my god, look at
and GJ is the pound and the yen. That's what affects them. Currency, you know, the currency.
yeah, I put the link in Telegram, man, for that article that you guys sent out.
Cool.
15 broke the low, but it's like a
'Cause
17.
it hit the range from yesterday, like yesterday night. I hit that
That's a
area.
fake out
and-
then. That's a double fake out. Goddamn.
So yeah, so who did I talk to about this?
Me?
I said a double. Oh, Robert, it was Robert. I said a double fake out. The second fake out usually plays out. So this sell would probably play out here. Come down. We backtested this
GJ
before.
a good luck move, huh? So GJ a good luck move too. I
A
know.
gulag move? A
Oh,
gulag.
Oh.
Gulag. This is not a gulag move, no. The gulag doesn't just mean like it's gonna hit stop loss. That's not what a gulag move. Gulag is a specific move I've literally backtested in the markets. One specific move. It's not like, you know, it's not just like a it's not just you know, a stop loss or anything like that. No. Gulag. Gulag, my
This
brother.
That's a good luck. I'm like, good luck. What?
Yeah. The gulag move is this specific move right here. I'll show you guys. It's this move right here. I'll block all this out for you. It's literally this exact screenshot right here. Boom, boom, that right there. Buys would have been, people would enter buys in this candle because it broke above this range right here. Right? But because you don't have enough support on the right side here, this candle's gonna come back down in the range, and look what happened. Boom. We mentioned it earlier. That's what a good lot move is. 30 minutes gonna close bullish here though. Oh, yo, Sam!
Yeah,
You
I'm
did it!
getting a buy.
I'm getting in a buy. I'm getting in a buy, yeah. And all that's gonna be a current candle, yeah.
No.
Right
I'm
now.
about to answer, bro.
Yo, Sam, bro, this move we actually played.
Yeah.
Stop loss below here.
No,
Buy
it's
is up
okay,
here.
For sure.
Yeah, so stop loss is here because it breaks that low and continue further down, alright? So it makes sense.
Wait, you going in for a buy?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy.
Yeah.
My last trade every day. Stop loss is like 7 pips. Not bad.
No
Yeah,
top
so
wick.
we talked about this earlier. Yeah, it's no top wick. It's probably a pull back down for bond wick to go up bullish, right? But pretty much enters buy because the previous hourly candle closed bullish, and like the first 30 minutes of this candle closed bullish. And at first I was skeptical about it because it had no bond wick, right? But since now we have a bond wick on the candle, you know, GJ closed bullish, 30-minute closed bullish, you can anticipate that maybe this is the first,
Oh shit.
this is the 1 hour low and price wants to go up bullish, right? So if price does break this low here, we're probably gonna head back down to the next support down here. You know, this support down here, then eventually come down to here. But until we break that low, I'm pretty bullish on GJ until we tap this resistance up here. So see what happens here. Bro, stop loss is 7 pips.
Should have waited for a wick down.
Yeah, but like I don't know.
You got a good entry?
I had it like right here when I came down a little bit. But stops is right here.
Right when I opened. That's what it's up. That was quick.
Let's see. Until it breaks the low. Until it breaks the low. Triple top on gold. What was it? Triple top on gold? What time frame? Over 30 minute? 1 hour? Yeah, I don't know. Stop loss is right here, guys. If you guys look at stop loss is like right here. The 30 minute, the previous 30 minute candle low right there. That low right there. That's where my stop loss is. Kind of has no top wick though, so okay, there it goes. Lows have been broken,
That's sketchy.
so you shouldn't be in this trade at all now, right?
How did I lose 10 pips?
You lost 7 pips. I lost on that trade. I lost.
I lost 10 pips on it. I don't even know how though.
I mean, hey man, back test.
I lost.
No, I thought that shit was only 7 pips.
I lost 8 pips on that. With spreads.
Back test time.
8 pips. I see sells. Yeah. So like now that the lows are broken, you can enter a sell here on GJ, coming down to the next support down here, and then down to this support 131 905, right? So buys are not valid anymore. So buys are only valid until we they're only valid if we were to respect this low right here. But since we broke the lows, we're gonna probably come down to this support and then eventually come down to this support. So yeah, that was my last trade of the day.
The 15 still doesn't have a top wick though. That's it.
Yeah, but we broke the lows on the 30 minute. You know what I mean?
Oh, so even if it doesn't have a top wick, it's just still gonna.
Yeah.
Ah. Alright, let me write that down.
That's
Man.
new.
Fuck your number.
So when you see that
Yeah,
big wick,
that-
That thing
That
that
looks
you
good.
just told me, bro, I respect that, bro. Thank you.
so when you see that big wick, yeah, I see this big wick, and this is a wick that I've entered off of on the streams probably 1,000 times, and then probably played out 85% of the time. This is a trade that we've entered on the streams multiple times before. If you check all the trades in the streams for the past 4 or 5 months, you know, this is a trade that we've entered before. This is not like some new trade that I made up today because I felt like it's gonna buy up. No, this is a trade that I've backtested in the past and we've probably entered off of 1,000 times. But you know, it still has that 15% chance of not hitting our
Stop.
target. You know, there's every trade has a risk to it. So yeah, but GJ should come down to this target right here now.
Double fake out.
Let me just update this first. So 7 pips on that loss. Trade 3 buys, sells, buys, plus negative 7. So still up 3 pips for a day. We're gonna call it a day probably though. See what happens here. Yeah, I mean 15 was a fake out on GJ, the 15, but I was entering a trade based off of the 30-minute. You know what I mean? No man, no BS. I was gonna sell, I closed in last, going to buy now, lose a buy for last day. Wow. But you know, guys, it doesn't matter because if I see the same setup again, the same exact buy entry, I will enter it again, and that's when you know that your trading is very when you have a nice, like, I guess what's it called again, a nice sample size. You know what I mean? Because if you can't enter the same trade again, and you're entering a trade just for that one trade, it means you gotta reevaluate your trading style because you don't have a big enough of a sample size. You know what I mean? But if you have like a nice sample size, if you've entered a trade in the past before and it played out probably 80% plus of the time before in the past, and you can enter the same trade again if it hits stop loss, then that's how you know you have a very good high probable trade. But if not, then you know you're gonna, because you're trading for the long run, man. You're not trading for one trade. You're trading for the long run. Out of 100 times, what's gonna happen to that trade? That's where you're trading, right? That's the whole point of trading. But yeah, 7 pip loss there on GJ.
And no BS, I was in sell, I closed it in a lot to go into buy, and now I lose 5 with loss.
You gotta trust your analysis, man. Like, if you see me going for a sell, you don't have to go in for a sell. You know, like I know like we've been pretty accurate on the streets, but you gotta trust yourself before you trust anyone else in the market. You know, like if you don't see what I see, then don't enter what I see. You know what I mean? You don't have to exactly copy all my trades I take, because these are all trades I take personally. All the trades I take during the day. But you know, still in profit for a day though. Still up 3 pips for a day. What time is it? 8:30? Yeah, see what happens here. See what happens here. I mean, we still haven't broken the 1 hour low. This low right here. We still haven't broke that low. We're still respecting that 1 hour low. So we have 22 minutes left in this candle. So let's see how it closes here. But that might have been my last trade for a day. Probably will be. Mr. Johnson. Of the previous. I think this is our 4th loss of June. Yeah, this is our 4th loss. We took 4, yeah, so pretty much right now we're tied up for May. You know, in May we lost 4 times in the month of June, entering 2 trades per day. And I guess in June we tied up with 4 losses as well. 2 losses last week, 1 loss this week on a Monday. But yeah, 4 losses in the month of June though, so we've been pretty accurate. That's all that matters. And you guys probably noticed that if you guys been in streams long enough, you guys probably noticed a pattern. You know, the pattern is, well, not a pattern. We just keep our losses very small and our win is very big. So see how the loss is bigger than the win. We're smarter than the win.
Cut losses short.
Let the winners go long. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir.
Like this sell is we broke the lows here. This would be a clean sell, but you know I entered 3 trades today. Took 1 loss, 1 win, 1 break even. It's not a good day. So I'm not gonna take another sell here, but this is the sell I would have took if I didn't take this buy here. Loss below there, coming down to this support. Take partials right there, close half right there, and then let the runner go down to the support. That would have been the initial trade. But you know.
Someone asked.
If the FOREX closes bearish, then we should reach 131.860 no problem as long as we respect the previous highs. 4 hour, yeah. So once the 4 hour closes bearish here, you could probably see coming down to 131.905 and then you know down to the support that you talked about, 860, yeah. Maybe further down, who knows? But this is a safe TP if we do close bearish on the 4 hour. And this 4 hour candle is very small too. This wick is like 20 pip stop loss for a 4 hour candle, but it's pretty. That's not bad. That's not bad. You already broke the high. You're better for free standard chart if you want to.
Yeah, I'm done for today. I'll take my ass to sleep.
Good night, my version, Mr. Robot.
All right, y'all. Hit y'all up. Y'all train Asian Donna?
Me? Yeah, probably I will. Yeah, why?
All right, bro.
I'll send a zoom out.
All right, bro. I'll talk to y'all later.
Alright, later, bro. See. Alright, guys. 1 man down.
One man sent to Gulag. Another man should be sent to Gulag in like 20 minutes.
I'm gonna hop off in 20 minutes. But yeah, guys. You know, guys. It's not too bad of a day. Not lost. Still a winning day. Kind of like a break-even day, kind of say. 3 pips. Whatever. No, you didn't lose today, so you know, guys, just gotta take it easy for the rest of the day, man. You don't have to force yourself. Like me, I'm done for a day. I'm not gonna force any trades. I'm gonna hop off the charts and hop on Warzone. That's what I'm gonna do. That's my day. But I'm done trading. That's it. But if you guys have any questions right now, let me spam it up in the chats. You know, we're free to talk here. Ask any question you want. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna answer all the questions I asked on Instagram. I asked people to ask me any questions on Instagram, and so let me pull up the questions. Let me see, archive. I don't think I still have it. Where's that?
Okay.
Yeah, I do still have it. Okay, so they wanted me to talk about runners, fake outs, and okay, so let me talk about runners. Alright, so runners. Runners. So with my runners, I only have runners when it's a huge target. You know, like for example, like let's say for gold. You know. Here, so let's say the 1 hour here. For instance, if I were to enter a trade right here, like on gold right here, I sell right here, my stop loss would have been here, and my TP would have been here. My initial TP. You know, 1-1 trade. But see how much further gold has to go if it breaks the support here. Look at that. It has a nice move coming down to this low, and then eventually comes down to here, right? So what I could do in this situation is I can leave a runner, because I'll probably close like 85% of my positions there at this support, at this strong support, because I know that that's a strong support. So I want to be safe than sorry, right? So I'll close my positions there, and I'll leave the rest running all the way down to the next target down here. Because this is like a nice 200 pip move, and sometimes, you know, runners will make up for the actual initial position that you had that you closed. You know, let's say you close 85% of your positions, that runner could actually make you more profits than the actual positions if it plays out. Because what, this is like what, 20, from here to the here, that's like 20 pips. Man, I could leave a runner all the way down to this support for another like 180 pips, which would probably be more than your initial trade. And that's when runners come in play, you know. but the chances of your runners playing out is smaller than the chances of it hitting entry. You have a higher chance of it hitting entry because 20% of the time it'll play out, and the rest of the 80% it will probably hit your entry. So that's the thing about runners, right? But runners, it's a risk-free trade. You have no worry on it. Just let it run, whatever, go on your day. Stops that entry. That's all that it is. But you know, the runners are. What else is there? Clean traffic trades, your best setup. So, clean traffic trades and your best setup you would take out 10 times out of 10. So there's not really one specific trade I'll take 10 times out of 10. Like you know, obviously every move in the market's different. Every situation is different. Every analysis is different for me. But I would say this move right here was probably the most accurate move I've had. Like, regarding like in the past, you know, like today it hit stop loss, but you know, in the past, this kind of right here probably played out for me 90% of the time. If you go back to every single stream we had in the past, look for this exact move, you will see how often it played out for us. But I'll say probably this. If there's a one move I'll enter the markets a lot, it'll probably be this move right here. Probably. But yeah. We'll both at bullish here. Yo, Sam. This team's about to break the high here. I know you're tempted.
Yo.
This team's about to break the high here. You have a clean move up to this.
Nah, I'm gonna chill out.
Yeah, if I didn't take the last trade, I'd probably take this trade, but yeah, I'm probably gonna chill out.
I would enter on this hourly if it wasn't the 4-hour open.
Oh yeah, it is a 4-hour open. Yeah, you're right.
But then I'm at open.
The 1 hour hasn't closed.
Still
hasn't
close,
broken the low yet.
But this area, wicked area, like.
Yeah, this stream we've been in a range the whole stream technically. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Not too much going on for GJ. I'll catch you guys tomorrow during the New York stream. Hopefully, you guys had a great day today. I had a decent day today, but wait, hold on. Before I go, what's your first view on indicators when you first started? Was it only technical analysis? So when I first started, I actually used market maker method. Those indicators. It was a bunch of EMAs and stuff like that. I don't know. It's just I'll probably rather trust my own analysis than rely on indicators. Because indicators, all that indicators are is just support and resistance. That's all that it is. It shows you the previous support and previous resistance off a moving average. You know, the moving average lines up with the support. It makes sense, right? If I were to put EMAs up right now, it would probably look something like this. This is how the EMAs will look. It'll come up, boom, tap that, boom, tap that, and then boom, tap that. What is this? A support. You know, that's all that it is. And then people will get tripped out with the EMAs in their charts because they're like, oh fuck, the EMA bounced off this, I should buy it here, or the EMAs bounced off that, I should sell it here. When all that is just a support and resistance, right? So I don't know, for me, I don't use any indicators anymore. I just straight up just do technical analysis, price action, candles, you know. But yeah, I'm my own indicator. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, any other questions before I hop off here? Very, very boring Monday here. Alright, that's it. Alright, guys. I'm gonna hop off here, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Hopefully you had a great day today, and peace. Peace, peace, peace. And stream.